Hello, lovely people. It's another lovely week, and I hope you're fine from wherever you're watching from. Welcome to Jackie's Kitchen. My name is Jacqueline Mzala, and it's in Jackie's Kitchen where we make cooking interesting by simplifying even the most complex of recipes. Now, for this lovely week, I have several very nice recipes lined up for you. And to start us off, we're going to start with chicken fried rice, which is an easy recipe and quite quick. So join me in the kitchen and let's do this chicken fried rice. So for this chicken fried rice, you'll need chicken. I picked breast because it's easier to remove from whole chicken. You don't have to buy chicken breast. It's cheaper if you buy a whole chicken, then just remove the breast for this recipe and use the rest for some other meal. You will also need cooked rice. This is leftover from last night. Then for the vegetables, I'm using green peas, which are blanched, cabbages, and sliced garlic. Then I'm also using green and red bell peppers as well as carrots cut into julienne. For an extra flavor, I'm using cumin seeds and cashew nuts. This is totally optional. And for seasoning, I'll need dark soy sauce and white pepper. This is in addition to common salt. Now we'll also need 3 eggs, beaten and scrambled. This we will scramble the eggs and put them aside for use. I'll show you when. This should take less than a minute to do. In a pan with oil, we'll add our sliced garlic. The garlic has to be bigger pieces because garlic cooks so fast. If you make them too tiny, if you chop them finely, they will burn. So once the garlic is fragrant, we'll add our cumin seeds, followed by chicken pieces. The breast, we cut them into small pieces. So we'll stir this until our chicken is cooked, and you know the chicken is cooked when you no longer see pink. That means the chicken is cooked. Once cooked, we season that with salt. Remember that soy sauce has salt, so do not add too much salt. And then followed by white pepper. Add as much as you like, that's to your taste. And finally, for seasoning, we'll add soy sauce. A tablespoon or 2 should be enough. Stir and watch the magic of soy sauce. Our chicken has just turned from boring white to perfect brown color. And at this point, we now add our vegetables. Please don't be limited to what I have listed for you. You can explore, make a new recipe, or even make this recipe better. Add as many vegetables as you want, different types. Whatever you like just goes with this recipe. Cabbage cooks faster, so I'm adding it last just to make sure that it doesn't overcook. And once I'm done, I mix that in. Now it's time to bring our rice. It already looks beautiful, doesn't it? Having added all our ingredients, our dish is almost done. We only need to stir just to make sure everything is evenly distributed, and it's ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please share this video with your friends, let them watch. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and remember to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my updates whenever I put up a new video. Thanks for watching, lovely people. See you in the next video where I'll be doing biryani.